In this chapter, we will discuss how we arrive at the zodiac and a horoscope in which we see the past, present, and the future of a human being like me and you. The philosophy behind making of the zodiac explained in our Vedas. Specifically, the four core knowledge, the word arrived from the Rig Veda, Yajur Veda, Atharva Veda, and the Sam Veda. Physics, chemistry, mathematics, and biology of the whole is explained. How this zodiac has come into existence from Earth to the Saturn. Human life was possible only on the Earth. What are the components available between the Earth and the Saturn, considering every star and the planet symbolically denoted as a planet? We have drawn an ecliptic of 360 degrees moving around us as we see. As per the mythology, the word I have specifically used, the mythology, is given in the epics, which is never a truth physically happened as you and me are on the earth. The first word of the Rig Veda, the core, the first Ved knowledge written is Agni Mile, means there was a fireball exploded. Shiva, Agni and Vayu, which is called the fire and the air, catches the speed, and the other components like sky joined together on the earth, and a human life was possible on the earth. It may have taken millions and millions of years for modern shape. That has also been explained mathematically in our Vedas. Basically, we take 7 planets from Moon, Mercury, Sun, Mars, Venus, Jupiter, and Saturn, and 2 nodes ascending and descending on the ecliptic are taken 180 degrees apart as Rahu, the dragon's head, and Ketu as the dragon's tail. As per the stories given in the epics, which my grandmother used to narrate me when I was in my kindergarten, reminds me of the components available in the zodiac. Trinity, Shiva, Brahma, and Vishnu, they came into existence first of all. Brahma, the creator, and Vishnu is considered as the Palak, as Vishnu is the operator, and Shiva considered as the destroyer. The term God I think has been derived from this. In today's scientific world, they say fusion was the cause of the making of this zodiac. But our epics say it was fission. Everything goes into the black. When the time comes, then explosion takes place. If you see how a child takes birth, goes into the womb, some sperms, then it's a fusion, not fusion. It goes in, it doesn't break, it goes as it is. That's the creation of a human being in the womb of the mother. We consider the earth as a mother, and the nature, due to the movement of the planets around the sun and their moons around the all planets, because they have got all their separate moons, the vegetation or the life could take place on the earth as many components, unexplainable though, beyond the thinking of a science even, has created us. That's why when we talk of the Vedic astrology, we use one word, Yat Pinde Tat Brahmande, Yat Brahmande Tat Pinde. Whatever is available in the whole is available in your body, and whatever is available in your body is available in your That's why considered as a smaller zodiac our human body, our system. And this system composes of our physical body, our astral body and our causal body. Movement of our body systems from parts of the body are directed by the mind. But how the mind works, from where it gets signals, how it acts, how it reacts, that is explained by the movement of the planets in the zodiac, and in a very micro level, a millionth and millionth part of the molecule of the whole affects our system. Destiny, past birth and our own deeds are also explained. In this chapter, while explaining or narrating those stories, we like to explain how these planets behave, how they act, how they react, and what do they exactly mean. For better understanding, I think we have collected some stories or the autobiographies of the planets, explained by them how they are born, how they behave. Another one epic or the mythological story. This whole zodiac was to come into existence for churning the ocean. The operator, incarnated as the tortoise, and a big mountain named Madrachal was put on it, and a big snake known as Vasuki as you churn the milk. The churning was done by the angels and the demons. Demons on one side and the angels on one side. When the churning started, the churning was that of the ocean, because it is considered that there was no earth, it was all water, and churning started tortoise, and huge mountain was kept on it, and snake was made as a rope. When the churning started, from there it appeared all the planets, all the sciences, including the moon, earth and sun was stationary, even considered at that time, and everything came out of it. And Lord Shiva placed everything in a proper place and let them move around the sun, because sun was considered as the head of the angels. Their movement, their revolving, everything was timed according to the time frame. Their movement was decided. I would like to say a huge mathematics would have been applied at that time to know the movement of the planets, and also how this zodiac has taken place and how the human being has come on the earth, and decide some parameters, make a system so that it does not become a law of jungle. There can be a systematic society and the person can work systematically.